my house is too small. Let's make it bigger.
Let's look at multiplication. Don't be scared. We are going to use our toy bricks to help us learn multiplication. This is one little dot by 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. So this is a 1 by 3, but there are only 3 total dots. So the 1 by 3 is equal to 3. Too easy. Well, let's do a 1 by 4. Hey! What's going on here? One little dot by 1, 2, 3, 4. This isn't very illustrative, meaning we need a better example, but this 1 by 4, it's just 4. There are 4 dots. So let's do something harder. How about this guy right here so that you can understand multiplication a little bit better? This is a 2 by 2 because there are 2 dots down here on the width and there are 2 dots here on the length. So if you count all of the dots here, 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll see that a 2 by 2 is equal to 4. 4. How about a 2 by 3? The width here is 2 dots, 1, 2, and the length here is 3 dots, 1, 2, 3. This is a 2 by 3. In other words, 2 times 3 is equal to, well, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 dots inside the 2 by 3. This is a great way for you to learn multiplication. Grab your toy bricks and start counting the dots. A 2 by 3 is equal to 6.
This episode is brought to you by Snacks. Don't leave home without them.
A 2 by 4. The 2 by 4. This is 2 dots by 4 dots. The width has 2 dots. The length of this brick has 4 dots. So 2 times 4, you can count the dots. You can even skip count by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8. Or you can do it manually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 dots are inside the 2 by 4, and so 2 by 4 is 8.
Hey, be sure to subscribe and join the Greater Gators class for full-length episodes. You definitely need to figure out what is a 7 by 7 and be the first one to get the answer correct. Let us know. See you next time. God bless. Beep, beep, beep.
Let's do something harder. What about a 2 by 6? There are 2 dots here in the width and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots in the length. So a 2 by 6 or 2 times 6, that's equal to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2 times 6 is equal to 12. There are 12 dots total on that toy brick.
Keenumbers.
Welcome to the bonus section. Let's do a tough one. Yeah, Shane. We got a 3 by 3. 1, 2, 3 by 1, 2, 3. 3 dots wide and 3 dots.